Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a Ludus arena game mod. So as you can see, I'm poor, but in the mod menu I can actually get unlimited emeralds. So I'm going to turn this on and show you guys. So let me just enable. So let's see if the emeralds go up or not. It might not work, but it should work. So let's see what happens. And hopefully it increases. So yeah, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you to get a Ludus hack. So it's pretty simple. Just go to tweakmod.com and just type Ludus, press install. And now you just got to do verification. This is the last step. It's download 2 apps, follow instructions, 100% for free, and also from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, shouldn't take that long. I don't really do videos like this, but this website actually works. So I knew I had to share it with you guys. So yeah, this is super crazy. So let's just give it a second here for this to load up. So as you can see, it's loading right now. So we just got to download 2 of these apps. So you can see it says missing files. So for instance, TikTok down and run for 30 seconds. Could do that one. Underdog down and run for 30 seconds. You know, a lot of them are just games and stuff like that. You can see like facts from iPhones. Got follow instructions on the next page to unlock. That's a search and install to earn. So you got to search it up. So just do 2 of these. Then you'll have the Ludus hack for your device. iOS and Android. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this fully works, guys. Peace out.